Did you know that I'm not an AI, I'm not a robot? Guys, I'm not a robot. To know that I'm not a robot, that's why I'm handling this. I'm going to mount this ring light, then you know that I'm not a robot. And I want you to take this information, even if you're watching on Facebook, if you're watching on YouTube, please tell for me Meta AI. I'm not a robot. This is Christine, the CEO, the founder of Immaculate Show. Is a lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. Seriously, I cannot. Trust me, for the last 4 months, I'm not earning. And I took it lightly. I'm not earning on Facebook. Why? Why should I fail to earn on Facebook? Please tell me. When you look at me, okay, haven't I put this light on? This light is on. Is this a robot? It is not a robot. Trust me. If you're watching this video, I want you to write Immaculate Show is not a robot. Because the robot, the Meta AI tools, I know you have your precautions, but you're fighting a different battle with the wrong woman, with the wrong person. From the time I came to learn your tools, you said, you schedule, you said, be consistent, you said, be original. I'm original. I bring my content that is original. That's why you see. And this is the item that I've assembled to see you, for you to know that no, she's not a robot. Oh, okay, I've switched off. I'm not a robot. If you're just wondering of this, this is the eye mask. Eh? So you guys, I was suspended my monetization 4 months ago. Now I'm coming 4 months. Meta AI, do you want me to die of poverty? Do you want me to, what do you want? When you see there is money somewhere, you go for it. But anyway, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are watching from. This is Christine. Why I did this video is to tell Meta AI, this is not a robot. You put features on YouTube, on Facebook, that they should be used. You put feature of rescheduling. You put feature of sharing. You put feature of engagement. And engagement is in different ways. Now here is Immaculate, who knows what she wants. I want to make money. I want to make money. And if it's no, you want to make money, write it in the comment section. If you want to make money, you follow pattern monetization policies. You follow also community monetization policies. This is what I do. I do follow all of them. Trust me, I do follow all of them. That's why you see my content is organic, authentic, and it is at the same time original content. My content is original. Please, Meta AI, talk for me, Meta AI. I'm tired. We've been talking everywhere. Okay, let me stop now. Let's stop. Let's come back. Anyways, you guys, good morning, good afternoon. Hope you're doing well. This is Christine on Immaculate Show. 4 months ago, I was suspended. My monetization was suspended in late March or April. It was at risk and it was suspended. The way you can see on the screen, it was suspended. And what are the allegations? One, they don't think I'm a human being. They think I'm using robots. Two, they think I'm fraud. Three, whatever, all that. What is the main purpose of this video? The main purpose of this video is that AI can do what a human being can do, but it depends on how you've instructed it. I've used AI for almost now, how many years? More than 2 years. But it depends on what you put. Now, I was suspended. My monetization, which I know it will come back. That's why you see, I come every day. I come back, though my energy is down. But trust me, if you're there, I don't know how I can explain it. I said, let me come and show my face and tell you, AI, please, whatever, Meta, you know, I know you've decided to make the things be simple by making AI, but this is a human being. Yes, this is not a machine. This is not a robot. No, this is just a mask. I've put it there. It is under eye mask. So guys, I was suspended monetization, and my recommendation was also suspended, stopped. They don't recommend. Why? They think it's not a human being. Why? I always post 3 posts per hour. That means in a day I will post 72 something. It is incredible. People think it is. But let me ask you, the moment you know there is money in this, if people are knowing that there is money in breaking the bank and they go and break it, now Immaculate knows there is money in posting. Then you come and say, no, you're posting too much. A human being cannot post like this. No, our wisdom. Because I know I can reschedule. The whole day I can sit down and reschedule. Now you have even brought, okay, Facebook, let me ask you, why have you brought then rescheduling for the whole year? The moment you be verified, you can schedule the whole year. So if I schedule 72 on a daily basis times 360 days, would you think I'm not, because I've not subscribed for verified badge? No. Anyways, you guys, another reason they gave me, they said, they are same people that share my posts, same people that share my post immediately, and same people that comment immediately. So it's a problem. Is it a problem? So whom do you want me to give to? These people are gaining from the content, and that's my audience. Anyways, guys, let us be calm. I know, especially my great engagers, you've been wondering, ng'akantu tina kutufunayo banange nyowe ninkira kuhereza tukangamba muri nyankore tinkuma meta numuza kucyura ntukira at least ku appreciate ng'abantu konka ebintu bikaba bibi nico liza naja ntukangambi kandi cyo naja ntukamounting ebintu mukundeba n'emikono nchokora nongira nti kugira ngo AI emanye ngo ogno muntu, this is a human being, is not a robot. And with our few, by our earning power was so high, I think that's why they say that now they wanted to say, but you cannot leave people who are doing wrong things and you go to people who are doing right things thinking they are the wrong because they have the strategy. So guys, wherever you are, and like for example, you're on YouTube, your Facebook, there are things you should mind more about because now it is a machine era. What they instruct is what they will do. So I've been demonetized for over how many months now, but I'm still kicking. However, it brings my income levels down, but it has given me another idea that if at all this is down, what can you do? So when Facebook is down, I'm handling YouTube like a cake, even if it is not down. But Facebook has, of course, it has even held my money which I was supposed to get up to, now it's still there. Okay? Because they cannot pay you your money, the one you worked for, and at the same time, otherwise, if all goes bad, we'll go to court. But anyways, guys, try to follow monetization policies, try to follow partnership and partner policies without forgetting the community policies. But this is a human being. Let me again come near to you. I'm moving.